Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Niece's Custom. I hope everyone is doing fine and feeling great. Today we're going to do some teardrop earrings, the large ones. But before we begin, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. As you can see, I already have Silhouette Studios already pulled up, and I have my template for my teardrop earrings. And what I did, I these right here were a couple of ones that I drew out, so I don't need these right here, so I'm going to delete them. This is my template for my teardrop earrings, and I have my design right here that I will be putting on them. Okay, and this right here is the measurements. I have them down in the description box if you decided to get some. And also I purchased these teardrop earrings from Sublimate Blanks RTS, so I'm gonna leave that link in the description box as well. Okay, and I'm going to do this on 8.5 by 11 sublimation paper, and I'm putting it in orientation is going to be portrait. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my image in my teardrop. Okay, and it fits, so I think I'm gonna just make it a little smaller to make sure that I have everything inside that teardrop. Let me see. Okay, once I've done that, I'm gonna group all this right here together, and I'm just going to, I don't know what's going on with my computer. Hold on for 1 second, it's doing something. Okay, I guess it had to get that out. Well, I'm gonna group all this right here together, and I'm gonna make duplicates of it. You know how to make duplicates. You right click, you hit duplicate, and you just move it to the side, just like that. Then I'm gonna hold my mouse down, and I'm gonna just move over, and I'm gonna grab everything. So once you do that, if you wanna just hold your mouse down and just go over like that, and to make duplicates or both of these right here, I'm just gonna right click on the image, hit duplicate, and just bring it down. I was supposed to bring the whole thing down, but my hands went fast. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hit file, print preference. Remember, I have my preset, my paper already preset on the side, so I'm gonna hit medium, make sure it's in portrait, make sure the check is in the box for mirror image, go back to main, and I'm going to hit OK and hit print. Okay, once that's finished printing, I'm going to go ahead and I'll come back and show you how I pressed it. Okay, my image printed right here. So you have your image, your teardrop earrings, your hardware to go, on the earring and inside your ear, heat press tape, and a pair of scissors, and your heat press. Okay, what you're going to do, you're going to first, some of these, some of the sublimation hoop, like these and the ornaments, it has this protective plastic on top of it. So what you want to do, this is what I do. I go to my heat press and I melt the top. I think I already took that off of there. Did I? Let me see. Yeah, I think I already took that. So I just get it and I just put it on the top of my heat press and I melt the plastic off, and I just, hold up, it's coming off. You can see it. It's gonna come off. Oh, you can't see it. Sorry about that. And see, you have to peel that off. So anytime that you get sublimated blanks like this, make sure that they don't have that plastic cover on it. Because if you don't take it off, your image is not going to stay on there. It's not going to do nothing. Okay. Okay, once you got that off, we're going to go ahead and press our image. Okay, I don't know why. I'm just going to put like a little piece of heat tape over it like that. Turn it upside down. Okay. And I'm going to print this. I'm going to press this for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. Once that's finished, you're going to go ahead and just take it off. Take that off. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Okay. That's finished. We're going to go ahead and take it off our heat press. These are teardrop earrings. Okay. Then I also have the hardware to go with it. So these right here are the hardware. It already come with the holes in them. I need to open up a little bit more. Okay. Put it through here. Let me do the other one. Girl, these Ray, I'm telling you, these make good birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, Mother's Day gifts. I mean, any occasion. Let me go ahead. Here you go. Teardrop earrings, sublimation. I'm going to go ahead and have the website where I got these teardrop earrings from. I'm going to also put the measurements for the teardrop earrings. And if anybody wants the template for them, just go ahead and tell me in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and send it to you. Okay, that's it. That's all I have for you today. And make sure you hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my videos. And remember, God loves you and I love you too. Bye.